Hello folks, I am imDV and welcome to my channel. Today I have got a unique t-shirt which I will be showing you, which I purchased from Amazon.in. The name of the t-shirt is Versatyl REVERSO 4-in-1. Buying link is updated in the description box below. You can directly visit and buy it from there. So before beginning guys, I think I might be the first to talk about giveaway in my first video itself. I promise to give away some products which I will be getting in for review if this video gets 300 likes, 100 shares and 100 comments on it. So let's get started. This thing written in the blue represents the folk color of the t-shirt. It says it is the world's first reversible multi-way wearable t-shirt, and I think it's true. And one more thing, I would like to let you know that this brand is going quite well. They have also launched their travel jackets, bomber jackets, etc., which are unique as well, which you can check on their website mentioned in the description box below. Here is the first color, that is light grey, and the color looks quite awesome. You can see the branding Versatyl written over here. And this is the other side, which has a grey and black dark shade in it. It is a round neck type t-shirt, which surprisingly looks cool. And this is not limited to here. When you reverse it, there are two more colors. One is the light blue one and other is the dark blue, which you can see right now. I will be showing it to you. I would simply let you know that this is a great buy product. Do share amongst your friends who would love to buy this. Thank you.